Okay, so yesterday I had told you with the worm composter that Miss Saint Amand, who teaches grade 1 at Winona, they also had a worm composter, and she had tweeted me a little bit, and we found out that we made a few mistakes on how to feed our worms, remember? And so what did we do yesterday? What did we go back and do yesterday afternoon?
Fix the mistake.
How did we do that?
By taking the food and digging a hole and putting the compost back up the soil.
Right, and I was feeling really good. And yesterday, Jordan was really helpful, and he took a video of us doing it. And after the video was done, I shared it with Miss Saint Amand. I said, look, thank you so much for your help. You helped us out, and we were able to do it the right way, and now our worms are going to have the food that they need to be able to make compost. Well, last night, Miss Amand sent me this. It says, Dear friends, our class has been caring for our red wigglers for 3 months now. So we thought we would share some tips. Okay, so tips are like, well, what do you think tips are?
Information.
Right. So it says number 1. Red wigglers don't like citrus food. Hold on. And they don't seem to care for bananas that much. If I told you citrus foods are foods that are like a little bit sour, like fruits that are a bit sour.
Like
Lemons could be what?
or like hot sauce.
Plums, no. It's
Limes,
like a lemon. So
Strawberry, lime.
it's lemons, it's limes. There's another one that is not sour, but fits in the same category of lemons and limes. They look almost the same. This is something you eat a lot of. We fed out some of them to the worms, and we were told to not feed too much. We were told to not feed too much. It's a fruit.
Oranges.
You got it. It's always good when we think it's
And
right.
sometimes one time I tried strawberry and it was so sour.
It could be, but that's not a citrus fruit. So the citrus is the lemons, the limes, and the oranges. So right here, it says that they don't seem to really like those. And what other foods do they not eat a lot of? Bananas.
So we have
Wait, that's the problem, because number 2 says, red wigglers are tiny creatures with tiny mouths. The food that goes into the vermicomposter needs to be broken into very small pieces.
We just dump it in. Maybe we should start breaking them up before we put them in the bag.
Wow, well, hold on, you're already thinking. Let's look at number 3. Red wigglers don't like chlorinated water. Now listen, if you leave a pail of water out overnight, the chlorine will evaporate. What does it mean?
Evaporate means when it disappears.
Right. Use a spritz bottle, spray one, will keep the vermicomposter damp but not muddy wet. When you pour water, it makes it muddy wet. Number 4, no we haven't. Number 4, don't forget to store your worms in a dark place and a cool place.
We already did that.
Oh, thank goodness, it's under the table and it's cool. Hallelujah for number 4. Number 5, every Wiggly Wednesday, which is their special day, someone different in our class gets to dig the dirt to, and that should be put the food scraps in. After we dig, the whole class gets to look, and we have special observation books to write down what we notice when we look closely using our 5 senses, like smelling with our nose, touching with our, looking. Do you think we should taste?
No.
No.
That
Yes.
would be gross.
That would be gross. And looking with our eyes.
3 sentences because we can't hear them.
Well, maybe we could hear something for really loud. I don't know. And it says here, it says, don't worry, we don't touch or taste. Because that's the other thing they said. As the worms, she sent me another email, start to get a lot of compost in there, our hands shouldn't be touching it. So, have we been using our hands?
Yes.
We have. Now, they haven't got a lot of compost yet. But we should probably start to think about things. And it does. It says, have fun, Miss Saint Amand. Now, already, as I was reading through it with you, people were doing some thinking. What did you say?
I got some shovels at my house.
Excellent.
I got a spray bottle at my house.
Wow, so we've got sprays. I have a spray bottle at my house too.
You can bring your spray bottle, Miss.
I could bring it in. Anything else?
We could bring little gloves.
We could.
I got one shovel at my house. Cause it's like muddy wet in ours. It's muddy.
It is.
And they said that we have to scoop it up, but how are we supposed to scoop it up with our hands?
So what do we
We
need?
need a shovel.
We need a shovel.
But maybe Aiden could bring his in.
Or, you know what? Maybe I could go get something because in
At
our...
the dollar store in the gardener place.
Right.
So we need garden shovels. There's garden shovels.
And you know what? There was something on... Oh, hold on a second because we can't all talk at the same time.
I also have a shovel at my house.
Yes.
But I don't know where it is, but I'll try to find it and I'll bring it.
Okay, and you know what? And I think I have one too. But someone else said about the claws. And in fact, yesterday in that pic collage that we looked at Miss Saint Amand, remember how she said she used the gardening claw?
Yeah.
Maybe I need to pick up a gardening claw.
You need to buy one.
So, you had a lot of the same thinking I had.